looking, picking when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive them when I kiss her. If you want some love, just let me know.
Hello guys, hello YouTube. I am really happy to have you here this afternoon, and today we are going to make an eggplant cream or dip sauce. You can use it for both. You can use it as a spread on a bread. If you make my keto bread, here is my favorite keto bread link up here. You can just click on it and you can find all my other bread recipes in the description box below, so just check them out. Or you can use it as a dip if you use it for crackers or keto chips. I also made recipes on that and you can check them out in the description box below as well. My eggplant cream is really creamy, it tastes really good and is extremely delicious on a cold winter day or just on a rainy autumn day. So I hope you will like this video. If you just find my channel today, welcome here. My name is Yvette. I am a certified keto health coach, and I do coaching one-on-one, very tailor-made for the person to handle the individual situations, so you can get healthy, lose the extra weight, and just look better than ever. This is what I do, and if you are interested in that, then head to our website and sign up for a free case estimation, and I am more than happy to talk to you and find a workable plan for you. If you like what you see here, then hit the red subscribe button here and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And now we will start to cook. The very first step, as every recipe I do, is to preheat your oven. For some reason, when it comes to keto cooking, one of the major ingredients in the successful meals that you preheat your oven. Like, the bread is not gonna be as awesome, the cookies and the cakes are not gonna be as awesome if you don't preheat your oven well. Usually I put on the oven an hour before, and I find that's the best for most of the keto recipes. We are gonna put it on 200 degree and yeah, exactly that much Fahrenheit, and we're gonna fully warm it up and put in the eggplants here and let them fully roast. What you do, you place a baking sheet into the tray, and I'm even gonna put a foil under, just make sure the liquid will not go all over in my tray, just a little bit of protection. Very good. And now you just put your eggplants here and put it into the preheated oven and roast them for about an hour on 200 degree until they really like just collapse, and that's what you need. Okay, so this is done. As you see, this even exploded, but this is totally collapsed. This is the done form. We're gonna take it out and let it to cool down a little bit, and then we carry on. Now we are going to cook a little bit or fry a little bit the onions in some coconut oil. Okay, so this is how this looks like. And I will add 1 garlic clove. I will press it, and some parsley, and we will just give a good stir to this. Alright, and now this we will add to our eggplants. Okay, so this mixture will go into here, all of it with the coconut oil, very good. And now we will add a little bit of black pepper, not too much, just a hint, and salt, and 1 big pinch of salt. And then we can give a good stir to this one to mix it a little bit together. And then you can add a very little bit of lemon juice to this, just a few drops like this. And now we will use a hand mixer and mix this together. Very good. That's the consistency you are aiming for. It's a cream, and now we will do a taste try. It's delicious, it's really good. If you like stronger spices, you can add 1 more garlic or more onion. It's a little bit up to your taste. Alright, so I made it a little bit fancier. I put it in this fancy pot with some decoration, And this is our final product. You can use it as a spread on your bread with some avocados, or use it as a dip sauce. It's perfectly fine and it tastes amazingly yummy. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this recipe video. See you in my next video. Bye bye guys.